Welcome to 1965 Altona Road, Unit 8, a spacious 3-bedroom end-unit townhome with 4 washrooms situated within the Altona Woods community of West Pickering's Rouge Park neighbourhood. A stone walkway leads to the arched entrance of its stone portico, where an entry door with sidelights and arched transom open into the ceramic tiled foyer of a main level featuring dark hardwood flooring, pot lighting, as well as a neutral decor and natural light streaming through a west-facing arched window, enhancing the spaciousness of the family room. This level also features a powder room with ceramic flooring and a wood vanity with a quartz counter, access to a double-car garage, a huge walk-in closet, as well as stairs to an unfinished lower level that has a sink and which can be transformed to suit personal or household needs. Dark hardwood staircases and railings carry to the second and third levels, with the second level showcasing open-concept principal rooms with a neutral decor, windows with mainly east or west facing exposures for abundant natural brightness, and an aura of elegance throughout. The richness of dark hardwood flooring finishes the beautiful entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, with the living room featuring the added warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by a white mantle with a stone accent facade and hearth, while the dining room has an accent window and the brightness of pot lighting. Off this space is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink, and pot lights also brighten the gorgeous kitchen and its breakfast area, both which are finished with ceramic flooring as well. The kitchen showcases a very functional design that mixes traditional and modern elements. Quartz counters and backsplash are set against beautiful dark shaker-style cabinetry with a huge wall pantry for exceptional storage. Stainless steel appliances include an oven with smooth cooktop, fridge, and built-in dishwasher, and a center island with seating is complete with a new stainless steel double undermount sink. The oversized sliding door walkout opens onto an east-facing balconette with glass railing that is ideal for container gardening and which overlooks the seasonally lush ravine setting that is part of the Altona Forest and Rouge Park landscape which surrounds this community. Below this balconette is the double-car garage, which is accessible via a rear lane, and the home has a beautiful deep red brick exterior with stone facades, giving it aesthetically pleasing curb appeal. The third level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, a laundry area with washer and dryer tucked behind double doors off the hallway, as well as 2 bright and spacious west-facing bedrooms, the first featuring a vaulted ceiling above its arched window, with both having space for sitting areas and ample closet storage. These bedrooms share the common use 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and a wood vanity with quartz counter, with the linen closet located just outside the double door entry into the lovely master suite. Gracious in its size and naturally bright, this beautiful personal space showcases a relaxing ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes, an oversized glass shower area, a wood vanity with quartz counter and undermount basins, 2 windows, as well as a soaker tub. This bedroom also features a walk-in closet and has a walkout onto a private covered balcony with glass railing from which to enjoy the ravine setting to the east. steps to a children's playground, and minutes from Altona Forest Public School, St. Monica and St. Elizabeth Seton Catholic Elementary Schools, the Altona Forest, and the Stafford Forest View Shopping Plaza. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.